Welcome to our review of the best exfoliating face products. Exfoliation is key to glowing, healthy skin, but choosing the right product can be overwhelming. Whether you're looking to brighten your complexion, unclog pores, or reduce signs of aging, these top 5 exfoliators are game changers. We'll walk you through their benefits and how to use them effectively. Stick around to discover which product suits your needs best, and don't miss our pro tips at the end to enhance your skincare routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, L'Oréal. The L'Oréal Paris Pure Sugar Scrub is a versatile and gentle exfoliator that works for all skin types. This drugstore favorite uses a blend of sugar and natural oils to exfoliate and nourish the skin simultaneously, offering a luxurious spa-like experience at home. Key features: the scrub contains 3 types of fine sugars, brown, blonde, and white, combined with grapeseed and mono oils. These ingredients not only exfoliate but also hydrate the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. The formula is free of harsh chemicals and is dermatologist tested for safety. Benefits and usage: the Pure Sugar Scrub effectively removes dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, more radiant complexion. It's also great for smoothing rough areas, such as around the nose or chin. Apply to clean, dry skin, gently massaging in circular motions, then rinse with warm water for instant results. Usability: this scrub is easy to use and suitable for both face and lips, making it a multi-purpose product. The sugar particles dissolve as you massage, so it's gentle enough for regular use without over-exfoliating. Durability: packaged in a sturdy jar, the product is long-lasting because only a small amount is needed per application. Its affordable price and high-quality results make it a fantastic option for glowing skin on a budget. In the second spot, we have Clinique. The Clinique 7-Day Scrub Cream is a dermatologist-developed exfoliator designed for daily use. Its creamy, non-abrasive formula provides gentle exfoliation while also refining the skin's texture and preparing it for better absorption of skincare products. Key features: this scrub combines fine exfoliating beads with a rich, creamy base to gently polish away dull, dead skin cells. It's fragrance-free, allergy-tested, and safe for sensitive skin. The formula also includes moisturizing agents that prevent dryness or irritation. Benefits and usage: the 7-Day Scrub Cream smooths rough patches, unclogs pores, and brightens your complexion without stripping your skin. Apply a small amount to damp skin, gently massage, and rinse thoroughly. It's gentle enough to be used every day or as needed. Usability: its non-abrasive texture makes it suitable for all skin types, even those prone to redness or sensitivity. The creamy consistency rinses off easily, leaving no residue, and it pairs well with other Clinique skincare products. Durability: packaged in a tube for easy dispensing, this scrub lasts a long time since only a pea-sized amount is required per use. Its high-quality ingredients and results justify the investment for those seeking a polished, refined complexion. Coming in at number 3 is the Tatcha. Tatcha. The rice polish is a luxurious, enzyme-based exfoliator inspired by traditional Japanese beauty rituals. It transforms into a creamy foam when activated with water, offering a gentle yet effective exfoliation experience. Key features: this product contains finely milled Japanese rice bran, silk protein, and Tatcha's signature Hadassii 3 complex, which combines green tea, algae, and rice for hydration and anti-aging benefits. It's pH balanced and free of harsh abrasives or synthetic fragrances. Benefits and usage: the rice polish gently buffs away dead skin cells, brightens dull skin, and evens out texture. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Dispense a small amount into wet hands, rub together to create a foam, and massage onto the face before rinsing. Usability: its water-activated formula ensures precise control over exfoliation intensity. The product feels gentle and luxurious, making it perfect for those looking to elevate their skincare routine. It's available in different formulations for dry, normal, oily, and sensitive skin. Durability: packaged in a sleek, airtight container, this powder formula lasts a long time since only a small amount is needed per use. Although it's a premium product, its quality and effectiveness make it worth the splurge. Taking our fourth spot is AHA 30%. The ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution is a powerful chemical exfoliator that targets multiple skin concerns, including dullness, uneven tone, and clogged pores. It's an at-home treatment that delivers results similar to professional peels. Key features: this solution combines alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, like glycolic and lactic acid to exfoliate the skin's surface, with beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, salicylic acid to penetrate pores and reduce congestion. It also contains Tasmanian pepperberry to reduce irritation and hyaluronic acid for hydration. Benefits and usage: this product resurfaces the skin, improving texture and tone while reducing fine lines and acne scars. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, leave on for no more than 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Use it once a week to avoid overexfoliation. Usability: while highly effective, it's best suited for experienced users of chemical exfoliants. A patch test is recommended before first use. Avoid using it with other strong acids or retinol to prevent irritation. Durability: packaged in a dark glass bottle to protect its potency, this solution lasts for months as only a few drops are needed per application. Its affordability and powerful results make it a standout choice for those seeking professional-grade exfoliation at home. And finally, at number 5, we have La Roche-Posay. The La Roche-Posay Ultrafine Scrub is a dermatologist-tested physical exfoliator designed to provide gentle yet effective exfoliation for sensitive skin. It's formulated to remove impurities and dead skin cells without causing irritation. Key features: this scrub contains ultrafine pumice particles for gentle exfoliation, along with glycerin and La Roche-Posay thermal spring water to soothe and hydrate. It's free from parabens, alcohol, and harsh fragrances, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage: the ultrafine scrub unclogs pores, smooths skin texture, and boosts radiance without overdrying. Apply a small amount to wet skin, gently massage in circular motions, and rinse with lukewarm water. Use once or twice a week for best results. Usability: the lightweight gel texture makes it easy to apply and rinse off, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's ideal for those who prefer a gentle, non-irritating exfoliation experience. Durability: packaged in a convenient tube, this scrub is travel-friendly and lasts for several months with regular use. Its combination of quality and affordability makes it a reliable choice for maintaining smooth, radiant skin. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best exfoliating face products. Whether you're a fan of gentle physical scrubs like La Roche-Posay or prefer the powerful effects of The Ordinary's peeling solution, there's an exfoliator here for everyone. Remember, consistency is key to achieving glowing, healthy skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.